Hi guys, the last couple of weeks I've been saying that I want to buy gold. However, I couldn't do that, so I bought in silver on Friday. Let me analyze that with you together, okay? So this is a silver chart. Straight away you can see I'm already in a position just in, so it's kind of breaking even at the moment. My bet is about £2,000. My first target, if we reach back to around $26, I'll make £6,000. I do have a optimistic target on the $30 mark, which is it will bring me 16k. I will keep you guys posted. I've been talking about it. I've been wanting to buy it. You can see we do have a weekly change of trend, daily uptrend at the moment. So we it's good price action back to the support level. You know, this area is good, so I like to see price continue to break higher. I will not add in any position until we break above this 24 area monthly pivot before I add in more position onto silver. If you'd like to know when I exactly buying silver and adding on silver, it's very simple. Join my private trading membership group. It's free to try out. You get a lot more support than just a YouTube video because we provide daily update, trading opportunity, etc. and education. So if you'd like to join, check out the description below. Let's have a quick look on gold. Gold actually arguable is a little bit more bullish because price already having a daily bullish outside bar through here, which is great. I like to see same things going. So I like to getting on gold as well, but I think for me, because I'm in silver already, what I like to add in is I will show you right now. Just bear me a second. If you drop down to 4 hour, this is why I like about IG. On a daily chart, you don't have to drawing because not necessary. I like to have too much lines on my chart, on the, especially the bigger time frame. But you can see on the 4 hours, I actually have a flag that I draw in here. So what I like to do is, this is a perfect thing that I like to trade a range through this area. Price broken higher and now slowly grinding. I like to see price bullish come up, stay above this 1960, and I shall put in something that I like the most. You will hear me talk about it a lot, is the pivot level. See, bang on. So in this case, I think this is not quite relevant. I like to get in a bit higher, so around the 1960 area would be the ideal area for me to get in on gold. Okay, palladium as well, I like to get in, although the chart is not as bullish as the gold and silver, but seasonally is very bullish, and also commitment of trader is showing some bullish signs. So you can see I have a trend line through here, so we do have a double bottom here. So the bottom, what I like to see is just price break and then maybe a retest above this monthly area, smaller time frame. I could be a buyer on palladium as well. Okay, so these three things is top of my list. So usually I talk about currency first, but because metal is moving along to my direction, so I like to plan ahead to that. Okay, moving on to the currency side of things. Dollar index already try to break out, but look at the daily chart. We do, you know, maybe forming up a high low through here, but then again we have a resistance level on the trend line that I have through here. So ideally I like to see it break above and stay above the 102 area before I consider to be a buyer, because I think the seasonal run would probably run out of steam around the end of August, so probably not so much reward to risk for me to aim for. So that's the thing. With Australian dollar, US dollar, we're already seeing some weakness. We are trying to, you know, break the midpoint support around this 66.30 area, but then we do have another low point through there. So let me just get my pen right here. So, you know, not ideal, you know, if you like to be aggressive, trade that, but you know, I am much more comfortable to sell below here. So yeah, but keep an eye, we're certainly seeing some weakness Euro dollar daily chart. I think, yeah, I could still be a seller of euro. It could complete this channel, go back to the bottom, but I think I like to see a little bit of pullback back to this circle area before I would consider to be a seller. Back down to this area, so it is on the list on that, but probably patience required for a few days. So around the 11095. Good things is about IG is what you can do is this. Put a note there. So when its price reach that level, it will alert you. So perfect, done. All right. Pound dollar. Is again, I like to be a seller of pound, so for buying dollar one more time, but then it has to come back a little bit higher around the 128.78, the circle area. So around this area, monthly pivot, then I will sell, but very short term, because I do see pound being quite bullish, trying to break out and go higher. If you look at the chart on the weekly chart, we are looking quite bullish. So therefore, I like to, continue to be a buyer of the British pound, okay? But later on, now short-term sell on that. Kiwi, I don't like it, so I don't really want to talk about it, wasting time. And dollar CAD is... Now, are we trying to break a bit higher? Looks like it at the moment. So break above, stay above, then we'll show a bit of more weakness on CAD. Dollar yen is top of my list. If you watch my previous video on the stock index, you will see Nikkei is on my list to sell. So if I do see the dollar yen break below the channel, I will jump into it to sell. So that's all for my Forex plan this week. I want to focus on buying metals, maybe short-term buy on the dollar, and yen is the pairs that I like to buy the most of, but selling the indices is probably my main plan next week. Okay, so if you want to know more, make sure you watch my stock indices plan. Thank you very much.